I'm right here in the neighbor's toy car. I just pulled back to the mower jungle. Anyway, his window will not come up and down. That's a pain when it's raining. That's a pain at the drive-through. Anyway, on the other side, same story. Back ones work just fine. So today's mission, replace the mechanism, the window regulator he calls them. I've never done it before, but we're going to give it a shot. Okay, the first logical step in my book would be get the door panel off so you can get to it. I pulled a plug here. There was a plug on that screw. These are Phillips heads. I missed one down here. Unplug the light. I could just leave those plugged in. And there's the piece we have to change. Here's the new one. We gotta get the old one out, put the new one in, put the door panel back on. So it looks like 10mm bolts. I gotta go find my 10mm. Good luck finding that. It is now starting to rain and I can't get the window to go up, and I can't find my 10mm socket. I got a 10mm wrench. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bolts I'm taking out. Now the window's going down. It looks like I've opened the wrong one. This must be for the passenger side. It's okay because it needs to be changed too. I'm going to have to find me a socket, looks like. So there's 2 nuts on the bottom of the window, and there are some sharp edges. Anyway, I got those 2 nuts off. All this should come out now. Through this hole. Watch the sharp edges. Throw that out. Okay, this is the phase where we go back together. I just put this bolt in. It goes in and hangs in that spot. And then, let's see, we collapse everything down so it fits in. Slide it all in. Now I've got that bolt holding everything up. I'll start putting the bolts that go to the window here. Right there. There's a nut that goes there. And then there's a nut on the other end. You probably won't be able to see it. I can barely see it. So as I was putting the window up and down, it was acting like it was slightly out of alignment. So I loosened these 2 bolts, went all the way up. It is now test it time. The window is all together, the door panel is all back on. It's ready to go to the drive-thru. Or it's ready for rain. Anyway, the required tools, I had a flathead, a Phillips head, and a 10mm. Socket would have been better, but I couldn't find mine. I did have this 1/2 inch one. Here is door number 2, passenger side. Door number 2, nothing doing. 12:22 on door number 2. Let's see how long it takes. This is the halfway point. It is 12:31. So 9 minutes to take it apart. Let's see if we can get it back together in 11. That'll be a 20-minute job. It is 12:45. That's 23 minutes. The door is all back together. Test the window time. All the way down. All the way up. 23 minutes. Not bad.